So, hello all, greetings for the day. I am Vinay Bajaj, a plus educator at Unacademy for CBSE class 9 and 10 for maths and physics. I also do teach class 8 standard. I take care of maths there. I do take economics for class 11 and 12. But here I am on CBSE Unacademy's class 9 and 10 channel for all my class 9 learners in particular and those who all want to clear the basics with respect to today's topic. The class 10 learners I meant, if they want to revise anything, they can also have a glance at this session. So, my first ever session on YT at Unacademy's channel with respect to this particular subject, which you can see on the screen, is physics. Recently, I had started maybe physics for class 9. I started 2 months back. For 10th, this is my first month, and it has been an amazing response on the portal for both of the subjects. Maths, though, is no doubt outstanding, and physics is gaining momentum. And yes, I know what momentum is, all that you know it. Very excited to start with the session. It will be a good recap for all my CBSE class 9 learners who are preparing for their half yearlies. It will be an hour with physics, laws of motion. You can revise it completely with this video. You can share it with your friends, and if you definitely really appreciate my efforts for this video, you can give me a thumbs up. You can leave in the comment whichever chapter you want next for CBSE class 9 or 10. Just mention the chapter name and grade. I will be coming up with the videos with hopefully you liking such presentations. So let us now start with today's session. Shall I disclose the topic? You already know, it is there already mentioned in the description of the video. So not keeping it as a suspense, we have Newton Baba with us. Alright, so force and laws of motion with me, that is Vinay Bajaj. You can use my referral code if you really wish to subscribe. You can use Vinay Sir Live and you can subscribe Unacademy Plus and you get a 10% off if you use my referral code. So now on the screens, what is exactly you can see? You can see that someone is pushing something. Like for example, here I have a table and I am pushing it. No, this is not pushing. Again, let me come back. I am sitting like this. Now, I am going back, okay? Pulling the table towards me. So what is the guy doing? On the left hand side of your screen, the guy is nothing but pulling something. So the other guy is pushing or what? There's a tug of war going on between. Have you ever seen a team purposely pushing? No. Both the activities on the screen are with respect to pulling. Okay. So as you can see on the left hand side of your screen, one is pulling, and the right hand side of the screen, other one is trying to pull. What is push? I am sure that you might have pushed your friend sometime or the other back. Any time in the school, मस्ती मजाक में ही, भले ही मारा मारी में नहीं, मस्ती मजाक में तो आपने उनको धक्का दिया ही रहेगा, एक ना एक बार लाइन में एक जन को धक्का दे दिया रहेगा. So you all daily deal with such kind of stuffs, that is push and pull. So these are the two basic types of forces. Okay, now talking about force. What is force? Force is any action of one body on the other. For example, I am lifting my pen tab. I am using some kind of energy. I am applying force to lift this. So force is any action of one body on the other. This is a body, of course, live. Code में ही live है यार, Vinay sir live. And the pen tab, maybe this is not a living thing, but object. So force is acting on the object. Likewise, if this is a pen here, all my plus students might be imagining, yes sir, यही example दिखा रहे हैं, pen tab famous हो जाएगा. This is a pen here. Now this is a body, this is a movement. Chalo, everyone might have played pen tab. I'll use Unacademy's pen only. Okay. This body sets the other one in motion. Again, मजा आता है. This body sets the other body in motion. So force, Unacademy जीत गया as always. All right. So now force is one body, one action of any one body on the other is nothing but a force. All right. Then, when we talk about forces, I told you what is a push or a pull. I pushed the table, I went back. I am pulling the table, but I am coming ahead. Okay, because the table is heavy. Okay, suppose I explain you with the help of this. Push, pull. Again, once again. Push, pull. Okay. और ये सब आपने शोरूम्स के बाहर देखा ही होगा. You might have entered any shop. If there is a glass door or anything, push pull लिखा हुआ रहता है. भले ही we don't follow it, but we do know that what is a push or a pull. Basic concepts यार. Then what is force? Force is nothing but mass into acceleration. माँ. सबके पास सब कुछ है, मेरे पास क्या है? माँ. माँ is nothing but. I'll use my pen tab and write it for you all here. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. That is nothing but ma. So F is equal to ma. Chalo, okay, let's move forward. Effects of force, one of the most interesting parts of this topic, and I find it amazing to teach you all effects of force because this topic is very much relevant to your daily life applications. For example, we say can move a body lying at rest. Okay, so now suppose this is a comb. This is a comb kept on the table. Suppose this pen tab is a table. Okay, I applied force, it moved. I applied force, it moved. I applied force, it moved. I applied force, it fell down. It fell down. Now this is nothing but it was at rest. The comb here is at rest. But when I apply force on it, so can I say it can move a body lying at rest? It is moving a body lying at rest. Yes. I am at rest. I am at rest. But there is no external force acting on me right now. Of course, yes, there are many forces acting on me, but I am resistant to it. Okay, we will come to that point also. So whom do you see on the screen? One of my favorite footballers, not one of my favorite footballers. We have whom on the screen? We have Lionel Messi. Now, talking about him, he's standing and he has a ball here. Okay. Now, he's standing and he has a ball here. I'll not stand up. I think you might know the reason. Lol, kidding. Now, when I am just looking at the goalpost and the ball is there, ball is also stationary. Messi looks here stationary. Okay. What will happen when Messi comes in motion and kicks the ball? Matlab the force exerted by the leg of Messi, by the leg of the footballer on your screen, comes in contact to the ball and the ball moves in the direction which he has kicked in. Of course, yes. So can we say can move a body lying at rest or is in rest? Yes, of course. Moving forward, can I say that what you can see the second example? Okay, now imagine this is my bottle, this is my baseball bat. It looks like a baseball bat. I pray the water does not fall. Yes, it is not. Bat सामने ball है अगर deemed, what will I do if I hit it hard? You can see that the ball is in stationary position. You can see that the ball is at the stationary position. Now when you see that the ball is at the stationary position, that is nothing but when the bat will hit the ball, matlab the force exerted by the bat on the ball brings the ball into motion. Yes, it brings the ball into motion. Very clear to everyone? Alright. Then we have it can stop a moving body. For example, force can stop a moving body. Force can stop a moving body. What I'm trying to explain you is, can you see this? Of course you can. Now this isn't stable, this isn't stable. Just watch it carefully, okay? Watch it carefully. What did I do? Again watch it carefully. What did I do? Again watch it carefully. So can I say force can stop a moving body? Now you can see a goalkeeper. I don't know his name, but what he is doing, he is also in motion. He is jumping. What is he doing here? He is nothing but stopping the ball. He is nothing but stopping the ball. So now can I say that he applied force with his palms and with his hands and he's trying to stop the ball? What is that? That is also nothing but a type of force, effect of force, not a type of force, effect of force, that he or she can stop the ball moving and catches it. So that is nothing but stopping the ball. So force can be applied to stop a moving body as well. Change the speed. Okay, now again my favorite example. All right, if you can see now, what am I doing? Moving slowly. जैसे जैसे मैं फोर्स बढ़ाते गया क्या हुआ? Slow, 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 fast. Oh, slow, fast. Now, fast to slow. What is this? This is nothing but change of speed. I am changing the speed by increasing or decreasing the effect of force. I am sure that you might have played this game or you might have run the tire with the help of a stick. Yes. So now, when you move a tire once, you beat a tire once, what will happen? It will roll, okay? When you beat it hard, it will roll more further, it will roll more ahead. It will go very far. Now, when I hit it continuously, dub, 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 again, if I hit it, I run along with it, and I hit it continuously. What will happen? It will change the speed. Yes, it will increase and decrease, and gradually, when I slow down to beat it, so because of the friction between the tire and the land or the road or whichever surface you are running the tire on, what will happen? It will also decrease the speed. So we can say that we can change the speed. Then change the direction. So now whom do you see on the screen? You see Virat Kohli. I know he's not batting that good right now in the IPL, but he is one of the finest batsmen that ever the game has produced. Of course, yes. There is no denying that. Okay, now what is he doing? He is nothing but playing the ball, hitting the ball, trying to do a cover drive here, or maybe a front foot square cut. All right. So can you see that this shot? Can you guys see this shot? What has happened? The ball was coming in this direction and the ball is going in this direction. Again, the ball was coming in this direction and now it is going in this direction. So can you see the image of the ball, the image of the ball, the image of the ball? Yes. So now 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I know the star and Oppo doesn't match, but it's okay. I just wanted to show. So when he plays this shot, the ball was coming towards him. Now the ball is moving away from him. Change of direction. Where he wants to hit, he is hitting the ball. So he applied some kind of force from his bat to change the direction of the moving object. The ball was coming towards him and now the ball is going away from him. Is there some sort of attraction? No. Or is there some sort of jhagda between the ball and the player? No. He has used his bat to change the direction. Now used his bat matlab the bat is also exerting some kind of force on the ball. Matlab jo ball uske taraf aa rahi thi, he with his bat just punched it towards the covers and the point fielder, between the covers and the cover point fielder, and the ball races to the fence. All right, public. Yes, all in the IPL mode right now. It's okay. Come back to the world. Come back to the world. Come back to the world. All right. Then you might have played carom. What happens here is, if I, chalo, ये coin को I have to put here in this khadda. Okay, we have to put this here. So let us just draw the trail here. What will I do here is, chalo theek hai. When I hit the striker from my finger, this place my finger is. Now I hit it. The striker moves here. Now when the striker strikes this coin, 1 minute guys, I just drew a bad one. Okay, I'll just explain you properly. When this striker hits the coin here, this what is happening? Come on, you can do it. Come on, people are cheering me. I can put that coin inside the cup. I can put it inside. Come on. So now when this coin is moving here, it will touch here, it will touch this coin. What will happen? Because it will touch this coin, it will exert some kind of force and this coin will go here, or it may go here, and this coin will change its direction and go inside and you will get a pocket. that will enable you to hit another strike on the carom board, but this is the winning shot, so you might have just won the game. Is everyone clear? રાની તો થઈ ગઈ, પપ્પાની બેટા તમારો શું થાય છે? So now can you imagine what did I do? I just hit the striker here. It came into impact. So this striker, when set in motion with the help of my fingers, some kind of force was exerted by my fingers on the striker which set the striker into motion. So we can say the striker was at rest. It came into motion because of the effect of force. Because of that effect of force, the coin which was on the carom board was also in the state of rest. It also came into the state of motion. And after striking it, what happened? It did also set another coin in motion and went into the cup. So change of direction, can you see here? Of course, yes, this coin goes this way, this coin goes this way, the black one, and we get a pocket. Wow. As well, the striker after striking can stay here, or it may go in this direction or in this direction depending on where you have hit the striker. There are chances it will stay back here only. Chalo, let's move forward. It can change the shape and size of the object. Okay, I don't have a ball here, but I can do that with the glass, but my mom will kill me, so I will not do that. But I can do this. Wow, I have a sanitizer. I can do this with this. Okay, so now can you see the sanitizer? Yes. Can I press and change the shape? Can you see I'm pressing it and changing the shape of the bottle? If you can see, chalo, ye dekho. Can you see this? I'm changing the shape. I'm changing the shape. Arey, tension mat lo, nahi phootegi. Can I change the shape? Can I change the shape and the size? And the size? Yes, of course I can. So what is this? This is nothing but my effect of force. So whenever I'm talking about force, the effect of force will be such that I can easily change the shape and size of the object. अब आप तो बोलोगे यार सर ये तो गलत बात कर दी आपने. कैसे गलत कर दी? अगर मैं दीवार को धक्का मारूंगा तो क्या होगा? अरे दीवार is exerting much more greater force than what you are exerting. So you will not be able to change the shape or size of the wall. If I go on kicking the wall behind me or on the right hand side or on the left hand side, what will happen? It will not move. Why it will not move? Because it is huge, it is stronger than me, it is applying much more greater force what I am applying. Alright, so we need machines to break them. So as you can see, a can, say for example this is a can, what will I do? I'll just press it. So if you can see minor changes in the shape of the size of the glass, if you can see it, you won't be able to see, but I can see it, but no problem. You might have crushed a plastic bottle after drinking the water before disposing it off. The same ways you can change the shape and the size of the object. As you can see, there is a balloon. What do? Phulake part. It can also burst, but at the same time I can say if it doesn't burst, we can change the shape of the balloon and again it can come back to its original shape, or else it may not come back to the exact original state at what it was. So it can have a change in shape and size of the object. Let's move forward then. When we are talking about effect of force, just let me check whether it is 1 minute, guys. Yes, okay. So now effect of force, it can change the shape and size of the object. The same one, can you see the ball coming in contact? यहाँ तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही उन्होंने दिखा दिया है कि बॉल एकदम से पिचक गई, नहीं. But yes, when the ball hits the bat, it tends to change its shape slightly. It becomes slightly flatter and then goes away, comes back to its original shape. All right. Then can we discuss about, can rotate a body? Of course, it can rotate a body. What is the guy doing? There is a engine or there is something where he is fixing the screw. Now what is he doing? He is pulling that lever towards him. He's pulling that lever towards him. He's pulling that lever towards him. What is he doing? चक्की चलाते ना, चक्की ऐसा 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 ऐसा. So force can rotate an object. Again, he is rotating that axle. Yes, so it can rotate a body. To fix a screw, what do? We rotate a screwdriver. To remove a screw from the wall, rotate the screwdriver, so it rotates the screw, and the spirals, the bindings on the screw, the threads on the screw, they easily come out or they get attached in the wall. Yes. Can rotate a body. Say for example, this is say for example this is a book. Suppose this is a door. Can I open and enter? Open, enter, open, close, open, close. What is this? This is nothing but the hinges, the pivot point we can say, where my door is revolving around, so we can rotate. We can rotate. In major so many showrooms in foreign you might have that सब जिसने भी बेबीज डे आउट मूवी देखी रहेगी उसमें एक डोर था जो कंटिन्यूस यहाँ से पुश करो तो वहाँ से ऐसा हो जाएगा. ये आपने अम्यूजमेंट पार्क्स में भी देखा रहेगा. व्हेन यू एंटर यू हैव एंट्रेंस पे दैट वंस यू एंटर along with you can enter someone behind can you enter. So वैसा एक rotating रहता है. So force can also rotate a body. Let's move forward now. So these were the effects of force where we did cover. Can move a body lying in rest, can stop a moving body, can change the direction, can change the shape and size of the object, can change the speed, and can rotate a body. So I am at rest, my face is at rest. Motion. I'm not slapping myself, of course I will not. Motion, yes. Came at rest. I was shaking my head. Came at rest. Okay. Change the direction. My face is going in this direction, my other hand did like this. Change of direction. Change of the shape and size of the object. I showed it to you with the help of the sanitizer. Change in shape and size of the object. Change the speed. So force can also change the speed. For example, ठीक है? One, oh, force. One. So now it is going much more faster and coming down at the same pace. 1, 2. Hit one. Oh, very quick. Again one. Very quick. So what is this? This is nothing but I dropped the catch. No worries. It is in fashion. Virat Kohli is dropping on the ground. We can drop here in the session. Alright. So it can also rotate a body. Of course, yes. You as a student might have this habit of rotating a body. I can rotate my chair also, if you can see. Yes, by applying force. Once again, I did enjoy it. I'll do it reverse now. Wow, this is amazing. So force can rotate an object also. Let's move forward. The resultant force. Now majority students, when I was teaching in Plus, that is on the paid platform, when I was teaching resultant force, they came across a doubt, sir, what is resultant force? Now there are two types. One, for example, if you can see this, I don't think so you'll be able to. Just let me check it once. Can you see this? Yes. So now, okay, I will have to just change my camera angle thoda sa towards the down position. I'll just do that. All right. So now I hope you guys can see it. ठीक है, अब मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे? What am I doing here is pushing it. All right. Can you see this? Can you see this? Along with me, say this is my hand, this is my friend's hand. Both of our hands, we both are together putting pressure and pushing it. Can I say F1, F2 is equal to the resultant force? Of course, yes. F1, F2 can be the resultant force, so total force. In the next example, okay, when I am pushing this, okay, when I am pushing this, oh, some kind of frictional force is acting also on it that the ground is exerting. Again, when I am pushing this, why I have to exert more force? Because the ground is also exerting some kind of pressure on it. Matlab ke if both the forces are acting in the same direction, we'll add them. If one force is acting in the opposite direction than the other one, that is the frictional force is acting towards this side, I am pushing the table that side. I am pushing the table that side. The ground is offering friction towards me. in this direction, that is in the opposite directions. What will I do? I'll subtract and write where the object is moving. So now you tell me the object is moving where? The object is moving on my left. It can be your right as per the camera rules. Is it very clear? So instead of watching my tummy, you can watch me now. I'll just check the camera angle again. Yes, now it's perfect. ले बढ़िया मजबूत. चलो तो फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं पब्लिक. यहां तक आई होप सबको समझ में आ ही गया होगा. Then we talk about the balanced forces. What do you mean by balanced forces? Best example. Holding it very straight, balanced. A bend. You might have played seesaw with one of your fat friends. No one is fat in this world. They are chubby. If a number of forces acting on a body produces zero acceleration, then the forces are balanced. For example, I cannot deny the fact that forces are acting on my phone. But is it moving? No. मतलब zero acceleration है. Then I can say the forces are balanced. The force exerted by the phone on the pen tab is exerting some kind of force on my fingers, and my fingers are able to satisfy or not bring it into X, and not able to bring it into any form of acceleration. I can say that when the forces are equal, they are always balanced. When they are not setting into motion or acceleration or some kind of increase in velocity, we can say that they are balanced forces. I hope you are pretty clear with this concept till here. Now, it can be considered for two things. The first is object at rest will remain at rest, and object in motion will remain in motion with the same velocity until and unless an external force with greater magnitude, intensity or impact which will create on it. It also depends upon the mass, but it may produce a change in shape. May word is very important. So now these two conditions are there. जब ऑब्जेक्ट रेस्ट पे है तो वो रेस्ट पे ही रहेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये बॉटल रेस्ट पे है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस बॉटल इज एट रेस्ट. इट विल रिमेन एट रेस्ट ओनली. Howsoever, all the forces are acting on it, but it is not producing any form of acceleration. मतलब अगर कोई तेजी नहीं दिखेगी तो वो क्या रहेगा? यही रहेगा as it is. So object at rest will remain at rest. The object will remain in velocity, or the object will remain in motion until unless a unbalanced force acting on it, an external unbalanced force acting on it, it will remain oscillating in the same velocity. If any other force, अब एक unbalanced force आ गया, अब एक unbalanced force आ गया जो बॉटल को रोक रहा है. तो आगे बढ़ते हैं अनबैलेंस्ड की तरफ. इफ अ नंबर ऑफ फोर्सेज एक्टिंग ऑन अ बॉडी प्रोड्यूस एन एक्सेलरेशन इन द बॉडी, देन द फोर्सेज आर अनबैलेंस्ड. ओके, नाउ अगेन द फोर्सेज आर अनबैलेंस्ड. व्हाई? forces are acting on it, but now the forces are setting this into motion. मतलब it was moving at this constant velocity. चलो motion का ही example लेते हैं. It is moving with a constant velocity. It is moving in a constant uniform motion. What am I doing now? Uniform motion. अचानक से fast कर दिया. अरे गिर जाएगा भाई. अचानक से मैंने क्या करता हूँ? slow fast. What you can see that unbalanced force is acting and there is a change in the velocity. मतलब whenever there is a change in the velocity towards an increased direction, it will be acceleration, and whenever there is a change in velocity with respect to decrease in the velocity or a reduction in the velocity, मतलब कि हमारी speed कम हो जाती है, वो क्या हो जाएगा? एक unbalanced force. Then we can say that object is accelerating. Okay, as I showed it to you. This depends upon the unbalanced force also, and this depends on the mass of the object also. Just a second, guys. All right, sorry. So object is accelerating. Okay, two factors are very important when we consider unbalanced force. That is, कितना unbalanced force लग रहा है और मास कितना है ऑब्जेक्ट का. मतलब weight, वजन, mass, matter content. All right, let's move forward. Okay, public. Okays, 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 okays. Okay, dokies. Poll time. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for the poll time? Yes, yes. Now, what is poll time? I will give you questions, you just have to answer them. Okay? You can answer them. Since this is a recorded version, you can answer them. Okay? चलो तो फिर शुरू करते हैं. टाइमर ऑन कर देता हूं मैं आप लोगों के लिए. ओके चलो. So now what clock timer? Stopwatch. First question, 30 seconds. If an unbalanced force acts on the body must accelerate. If an unbalanced force acts on the body must accelerate. 30 seconds on your screen. Last 10 seconds, guys. You have to say a true or a false. Just a true or a false. Yes or a no will also do. सबके आंसर्स आ गए होंगे कमेंट बॉक्स में. Time's up, boys and girls. So, if an unbalanced force acts on a body, the body must accelerate. Superb. शाबाश. आतंक मचा दिए हो. This will be true. Unbalanced force acts, it of course sets the body in acceleration. If a balanced force acts on the body must be at rest. So if balanced forces are acting on a body which is at rest, will it be at rest only? So your time starts now. I'm continuing the same clock. So I already have answers coming up. Let's see. Come on, guys. You just have 15 more seconds left. Okay. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So this will again be true. If the body is at rest and balanced forces are acting on it, so it will be at rest only. Okay. Dash causes an acceleration in the body. Your time starts now. Your time has started. From 1 minute to 1.3 we will take it. Let's see how many of you all can give the correct answer. ये यूज करना मत भूलना पब्लिक. बस जब भी सब्सक्राइब करो विनय सर लाइव को यूज करो और 10% डिस्काउंट पाओ. What you have to do is when you take a subscription, you just have an option there. Have a referral code question mark. Of course, yes. You should tell them yes. What is the referral code do you have? Vinay Sir Live in capital letters. Time's up, boys and girls. Time's up. So we will say always balanced forces cause an acceleration in the body. Oh, everyone is saying wrong. Yes, that's the way, guys. Super duper stuff. Unbalanced force causes an acceleration in the body, or unbalanced forces cause an acceleration in the body. Is it very clear to everyone? Very clear to everyone. चलो तो फिर बुलावा आया है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. A body in motion will remain if I will not do the stopwatch thing now. We can I forgot to stop it, sorry. Okay, done. A body in motion will remain in dash if balanced forces are acting on it. If the body is in motion and if the balanced forces are acting on it, it will remain in uniform motion or retard. So 15, 14, I can see the answers coming up in the chat. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 7, 6, 4, 3, 5, 3, 5, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 0. All right. So can I say it will remain in uniform motion if balanced forces are acting on it. All right. Force cannot stop a moving object. Okay. True or false? True or false? I have the answers coming up. Zoop, zoop, zoop karke. Force cannot stop a moving object. The true statement will be force can stop a moving object. If we want it to be true, so can आएगा तभी वो true होगा, वरना वो false ही रहेगा. Force can always stop a moving object. Force can change the direction of the moving object. 50-50 यूज करने के बाद आपके स्क्रीन पर दो सवाल, ये सवाल के दो जवाब हैं, ट्रू और फॉल्स. Force can change the direction of a moving object. Force can change the direction of the moving object. All right, so yes, it can. So true is the correct answer, false is incorrect. False तभी होगा जब आएगा force cannot change the direction of the moving object. But यहाँ पे तो can दिया है, so there is no question only arising. Let's move forward. Force can change the direction of the stationary object. True or false? True or false? Let's see how many of you all get this one correct. True or false? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And time's up, boys and girls. Now, can it change the direction of a stationary object? Can force change the direction of the stationary object? False. Why? Stationary object, for example, this, it is a very bad drawing. For example, this is a football. It is lying on the ground like this only. It is lying on the ground like this only. Okay. Now, it is a stationary object. How can its direction be changed? Direction तो उसका ही change हो सकता है जो already moving में है. इसको तो we can set in motion. Did everyone understand? Now this bottle is at a stationary position here. Okay. It's not moving. How can I change its direction? जो डायरेक्शन में मैं चाहूंगा उस डायरेक्शन में फोर्स लगाऊंगा तो वही डायरेक्शन में हो जाएगी. Did everyone understand? All right. The next one. How many laws of Newton's are there? Because in the next video I'll be covering that for you all. There are dash laws of Newton. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer to it is 3. There are 3 laws of Newton. The first one says object will be in the state of rest until and unless an external unbalanced force is applied to it, or it will remain in motion until an external force is applied to stop it. The second says the rate of change of momentum. The first one is with respect to the inertia. The second one says the rate of momentum, linear momentum, change in momentum. Okay. The third one focuses to every action has an equal and opposite reaction. तुमने एक दोस्त को मारा, दोस्त ने तुम्हें मारा, फिर तुमने उसको मारा, फिर उसने मारा. So what is this? You push someone, he will also push you. You push someone, she will also push you. So you hit yourself. No, you will not hit yourself. You hit your friend. वो भी तुमको मारेगा. So every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Did everyone understand till here? Very clear to everyone till here? Perfect. Let's come to the fact file, guys. This was the end of part 1. Now we will discuss a fact and few facts with respect to an academy, and then we proceed further. So Sir Isaac Newton was born on 25 December 1642. He was born on 25th December, Christmas Eve, or the time we don't know, but Christmas Day 1642, way back. So now the prime time, the prime batch, the prime batch, the prime batch. Just a second, guys, I'm just getting something. Sorry. So, prime time full syllabus batches have been launched. They have started from 14th September. They've started from 14th September 2020. You just have missed 2 weeks of your schedule, but don't worry, the recordings will be available of all the past sessions, not only of this batch, but the previous batches, but the previous individual courses. Each and everything will be available to you all exclusively, inclusive of that particular fees which you are paying, the subscription amount. It will include everything. You need not pay anything extra for anything which you have missed in the past on the portal. These batches will go up to 30th January 2021. We will celebrate the New Year's together and face the board challenges together. We will machayenge. Yes. So now this is nothing but a duration of 4.5 months, where I will be exclusively taking care of your mathematics on the portal with respect to this batch, and will prepare you for your finals, that is CBSE 2021. It will cover all your concepts, daily practice, weekly quizzes, doubt sessions, each and everything online and offline. With respect to maths, you have Vinay sir, that is myself, for class 9 and 10, both. For SST, you will have different educators. I'll be introducing them as well. For English, again, for both the courses, you have different educators. For science, again, you'll have different educators. For Hindi, you have a common educator for class 9 and 10 again, just like for maths, I am there. For French, also, you'll have a common educator for class 9 and 10. All right. So let's crack it. Enroll now. Let's crack it, boys and girls. What you have to do, you just have to use my referral code. Now, a short and sweet version of my referral code is VB19. VB19. And if you want to use the longer one, it's Vinay Sir Live. It's Vinay Sir Live. कोई भी यूज करो, यूज करना जरूरी है, क्योंकि हम डिस्काउंट के प्रेमी हैं. 10% डिस्काउंट मिलता है, 10% ऑफ. 10% की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू. सो यू हैव Hardik Kheradia sir for SST, Anika Seth ma'am for French, Bhavna Bisht ma'am for Science, Utkarsh Pandey sir for Hindi, Sandeep Dubey sir for English, and Vinay Bajaj sir for Mathematics. What you have to do is use my referral code, subscribe on Academy Plus. 13,500 will be only after using my referral code. The price actually is 15,000. You use my referral code, the price unlocked for you is 13,500. As you can see on the screen, you have the timetable given to you all. English, Math, Science. Every MWF you will have English, Math, Science. That is Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. You will have Maths, English, Maths and Science. Every Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays you will have SST, French, Hindi. So daily 3 hours of Unacademy you will be completing all your major syllabus, not major, complete syllabus of major subjects. Talking about grade 10. Okay. So we have Akansha Sharma ma'am who will be taking care of SST. We'll have Anika Seth ma'am again for French. We'll have Ajinkya Saluke sir who will be taking care of Science. We'll have Utkarsh Pandey sir who will be taking care of Hindi. We'll have Vandana Bajaj ma'am who will be taking care of English. And we'll have Vinay Bajaj sir, myself, who will be taking care of Maths. Thank you, public. Again, what you have to do is to unlock this price, you have to use my referral code VB19 or Vinay Sir Live. दोनों में से कोई भी use कर सकते हो. Again, as you can see, the start date is 14th September. The end date is 30th January. English, Hindi, SST on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, and Maths, Science and French on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays. Coming back to this, so Prime Batch is one of the super duper hit batches at Unacademy. Let me tell you that we are getting amazing responses from the learners because they are able to revise each and everything in detail with all the previous year questions solved live in the session, extra questions, your favorite textbook, Adi, the Sarmas, NCE, the RTs, everything. Half yearly batch, now these batches are coming to an end. They started at 7th, they started from 7th September. All right. And for maths, they started for maths, science and English, maths, science and English for class 9 as well, for class 10 as well. You can just use my referral code again to subscribe. The recordings will be available, so you'll get a variety. Again, what is practice there? Okay, again, what is practice there? Why to do that? Chalo. Okay, next. This is an amazing feature of daily T20 test series, free for each and every one. Whether you are a subscriber or you are a non-subscriber, this is free for all my class 9 students, all for my class 10 students. Monday to Friday, daily at 1:30 p.m. Unacademy plays its own IPL. Apart from being proud partners in IPL, we have our own way of playing T20 with our learners, or with the student base which has been acquainted with us, linked with us, associated with us. That is the daily T20 test series. You'll have 10, as the name suggests, T20. It's the trending thing. So 20 MCQs with respect to maths and science. Every day 1:30. The schedule is there on the portal. Each and every one can attend it for free. It is absolutely for free. You get the results also. Let's practice session. This is again one new feature added on the Unacademy app, that you have a let's practice feature with you, and you have a quiz thing. Now I'll tell you. Let's practice feature. You come up, you download the app. First thing what you have to do is view my special class, and then you can have all the features. Then you can have all the features in the app. What you have to do is, let's practice mein log in to the Unacademy app. There you will get an access. There you will get an option of practice. I'll show it to you all. See. So this is your learning app, guys. This is your learning app, if you can see it on my screen. So it's opening. Now, tests. Okay. What is this? Can I do browse? Yes, I can do browsing. Okay. Now, all the things are here. Plus को select करो. ठीक है. Plus को select करने के बाद ये enrollments, doubts, ये वो, polynomials, practice. So as you can see, polynomials practice is available. Looking for another practice, explore more. So now maths, all the chapters you'll have, we can start practice. So you have algebra, coordinate geometry. Geometry may you have chapters, mensuration we have chapters. So for example, I start with algebra. Next, number of questions, you can select n number of questions. I select 20. Preparing my test, and you can start doing it. Say for example, a polynomial has so and so. For example, I select B. I click on submit. Submitting. Oh, it was correct, fortunately. I gained 50 XP. Lightning speed given me 20 XP more. Next question. And similarly, you can also have solutions. You click on view solution. You will get the solutions as well. This is how you use your, just let me close it because I'm down on battery right now. All right. This is how you can gain XP. Let's practice session. What you have is the quiz alert. I keep on conducting quizzes for you. What you have to do is, just I as an educator have the authority, or not authority, I take the initiative of creating a quiz. I will be sharing with sharing a code with you all. I'll be sharing what has happened to my writing, guys. I'll be sharing a quiz code with you all. You can download the app in the test section. For example, again I'll show you in the app live. I'll not be able to share the screen, so that is why I'm showing it to you. You're live. Now this is our Unacademy app. What I can do here is tests. Now I can join a quiz, host a quiz. Join quiz पे आप click करो, enter a quiz code. So the one which I'll be sharing on Telegram, you can join using that. Enter the quiz code here. Join quiz में click करो और आप वो quiz का हिस्सा बन जाओगे. उससे भी आपको पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे. हाथ के हाथ लीड अबोर्ड मिल जाएगा, सब कुछ होगा, और ये भी सबके लिए फ्री है. इसके लिए आपको सब्सक्रिप्शन खरीदने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बट फिर भी मैं आपको बोलूँगा, आप खरीदोगे तो आप बहुत बेनिफिट में रहोगे. जस्ट कोड यूज़ कर लेना और बेनिफिट मिलेगा 10% का. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's challenge test series. This is for CBSE class 9 and 10. Now daily T20 और इसमें फ़र्क क्या है ना, इसमें फ़र्क सिर्फ यही है, इनका मॉक टेस्ट एनालिसिस होता है. मतलब टेस्ट होने के बाद 48 आवर्स के अंदर अंदर वन ऑफ द टॉप एजुकेटर्स ऑन द पोर्टल कम्स अप लाइव टू सॉल्व ऑल द डाउट्स विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ऑल द क्वेश्चंस व्हिच वर आस्क्ड इन योर टेस्ट्स for both the grades, and this is happening for maths and science every Wednesday 2 p.m. the schedule is given, the topic is given to you well in advance, and for maths every Sunday 12 p.m. for both the grades 9 and 10. What you have to do is just use my referral code, subscribe on Unacademy, get a 10% off. You can follow me. As you can see, I have recently joined the 1 million gang, 1 million club. 10 लाख मिनट हो चुके हैं मेरे पोर्टल पे. Now this is 3,46,000 after today, or might have increased. 2K followers. आप लोग प्यार दिखाना कम नहीं कर रहे हो, बहुत अच्छी बात है, करना भी मत. और ये हो चुका है 484. बस यहाँ पे आपने लिंक पे क्लिक करना है जो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी है, उस पर क्लिक करो और मुझे फॉलो करो ताकि आप सारी मेरी फ्री क्लासेस भी देख सकते हो. प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन के बेनिफिट क्या है? डेली लाइव क्लासेस फॉर ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स आर टेकिंग प्लेस. वीकली क्विजेज होते हैं हर हफ्ते, जो एडुकेटर पढ़ा रहा है, जो आप पढ़ रहे हो वो सेशन में वो एडुकेटर के साथ, वो एडुकेटर विल बी कंडक्टिंग अ क्विज ऑन इट, सो यू कैन टेस्ट योर कॉन्सेप्ट्स दैट वेदर यू आर क्लियर विद देम और नॉट. एंड उसमें जो डाउट होते हैं वो ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन दोनों जगह से सॉल्व हो सकते हैं. डाउट सॉल्विंग लाइव क्लासेस और डाउट सॉल्विंग फीचर ऐप पे आ चुका है, जैसे कि मैं वापस दिखा देता हूँ आपको ऐप पे. जैसे कि आप यहाँ देख सकते हो, आस्क अ डाउट, न्यू फीचर, लोडिंग. Hi Vinay Bajaj, got a doubt? Introducing all the new doubt clearing feature to assist your CBSE class 9 journey. This can be for class 10. I've selected class 9 right now. Submit your question from mathematics or science and I'll help you to find a solution. Take a picture or choose from a gallery. If you click on take a picture, allow, ये तो ट्रांसपेरेंट हो गया रहेगा, लेकिन ये आप कर सकते हो, बट ये सिर्फ प्लस वालों के लिए है. फिर उसके बाद आते हैं प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस, बहुत सारे मिलते हैं, डिपेंड्स ऑन द एजुकेटर एंड द टेस्ट सीरीज. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज जस्ट यूज माय रेफरल कोड VB19 और विनय सर लाइव. क्लिक ऑन प्रोसीड टू पे. ये सारे प्राइजेस पे 10% ऑफ हो जाएगा जो आप प्लान सिलेक्ट करते हो. जो आप सिलेक्ट करोगे उस पर 10% ऑफ आपको दिखाएगा. द बेस्ट पार्ट इज इफ यू सब्सक्राइब फॉर 9th grade, you get 10th, you get 11th, you get 12th एब्सोल्युटली फॉर फ्री. फॉर फ्री मतलब अगर आप 6 महीने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करते हो, आज से लेकर 6 महीने तक आपको 9th मिलेगा, साथ में 10th 11th 12th भी मिलेगा, वो 6 महीने के पीरियड के लिए ही. सो सिबलिंग्स के लिए बेस्ट चीज़ है. यूज़ करो मेरा कोड, सब्सक्राइब करो. होप दिस सेशन वॉज वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू ऑल. इफ यू वॉन्ट मी टू कम अप विद सच short and sweet and such wonderful presentations, you can leave a comment in the comment section after this video is streamed on YT. God bless you all. Take care guys. Thank you. Lots of love to you all. Let's crack it. पढ़ते रहो, आतंक मचाएंगे. VB19 कोड याद रख लेना, यूज़ करना while subscribing. Download the app now. View my class. लाइक बटन ज़रूर प्रेस कर देना, बेल आइकन ज़रूर प्रेस कर देना. Subscribe to the wonderful channel for knowledge and education and fun. God bless you all. Take care. This is Vinay Bajaj signing off for the day. Greetings for the day. Take care, stay safe, take care of your parents, and we will fight hard. God bless you all. Jai Hind.